Class, our today's topic is kinds of force. So there are two types of force, contact force and non-contact force. So first we will discuss about contact force. So class, by name you can easily understand contact force means a force which acts on a body by making an actual contact. So class, how you find frictional force and how you know is there, understand? So the weight of the body is towards earth, so why this body is not going downwards, why it is steady in the table? Because there is another force which apply in the opposite of the weight, and that is called force of reaction. Understand? If this is in the air, then there is only gravitational pull because there is nothing, but when it touch the surface, now it is steady here. So in this time also there is a gravitational pull in this body, but why it is not moving in this time? Because there is a one more force is there which opposes the gravitational force. That force is called force of reaction. So understand, when your body or your object is tied with string, at that time that force is called tension, and when your body is in table or chair or maybe in book in this time, so in this time why this sharpener is not moving at all? Because downwards the gravitational pull is there and the upwards there is a force of reaction. So you can see gravitational pull is always there, but the name of the force is changed according to the situation. If your object tie with a string, that force is called tension. If your object is free, then at that time this is called force of reaction.